Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all have gone through my recent video lessons. Yes students? So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video lesson, I hope you remember those three things which you always have to do. Yes, you have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated, and you have to share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright students, so let's get started. So students, in the recent video lesson, we have understood the third part of the story of chapter 5, the mountain trail, right? So students, by now we have understood the first, second and third part of the story. So our today's objective is to understand the questions of the book, right? So there are some back exercises in your book. Let's quickly discuss those questions in order to understand the things clearly, okay? Students, you might have observed in your book that after each part there is a summary given along with the options, right? So what you have to do? You have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options from the box. So students, I hope that by now, after understanding the content well, you all can do this work by yourself. Yes? So beta, make sure that you have to do that in your book, part first, part second and part third, okay? So students, let's begin with the discussion of question answers from your course book. Beta, some of the questions I have already given you in the assignment, right? And some of the question answers we will be discussing right now, okay? So for this, first we have to discuss from part first, okay? So you have to refer to page number 41 of your English course book, okay? So let's begin with the first question. Students, in the first question, you all can see that it's a part of summary, right? And hints are already provided. So I hope this question you can do by yourself. We will simply come to the second question. Now second question says, what are the fancies of Sukhram? Who did he share these with? So students, what were his fancies? You know, he was very positive kind of person and he was very happy with his life. We all know that in the story he was blind, but he used to be very happy when he was surrounded by whom? By birds and by goats, right? So he was living this kind of life and he was happy about it. So he used to discuss all these things with his brother Rajbir and his grandfather, right? So whatever he was feeling, he used to discuss with them and they all used to laugh on him that he was feeling all these things as if he was imagining, right? So in his imagination, he was feeling happy. So students, this question, third one, I have already given you in the assignment, okay? So that you can write by your own. Now let's move to the fourth question. Fourth question says, I am going to a strange place that my feet do not know and I am nothing. So A part, who is Sukhram speaking to? When does he say this? So students, to whom he was speaking here? Sukhram was speaking to his mother. And when did he say this? He said this when the mother told him that they have to go to the grandfather. Okay. By this time, the brother Rajbir and the father, they both went to the Tatia Tope's troop, right? So now they have to go to the grandfather. Okay. Question number B. Explain what Sukhram means by a strange place my feet do not know. So students, which place they are talking about? Obviously, you know that this boy, he was herding goats, right? But the moment war was declared, he has to protect himself. So for that, the mother advised him that now we have to move to a safer place. So they have to go to the grandfather. And he was a blind boy, but he was having very active and very strong senses. But he was not aware of that way from where they were moving. So that's why he was saying, a strange place my feet do not know. Okay. He was not comfortable with that place. So students, C part is very easy. You can do it by your own. Now let's move to page number 44. So students, on page number 44, the first question you have to do in the book itself. Again the summary which you can do by yourself. Okay. Question 2, this I have already given you in the assignment. Okay. So let's move to the third question. What was going on in Sukram's head? That night he could not sleep. So what was happening, students? If you remember, we have already discussed that the boy was very disturbed. When he knew that he was unable to find his brother and his father, he was very much disturbed, and very different kind of questions were coming in his mind, that whether my brother and father are safe or not. So different questions were there in his mind. So he was running a kind of battle in his mind. So that's why he was trying to prepare himself. And for this, he asked his mother to give him gun so that he can protect his family. Okay. Now next question, question number 4. Tatya Tope says, but something has gone wrong. What had gone wrong? Now student, what happened here? In this question, we need to understand that by now, Tatya Tope and his troop, they all were very worried, because they had an idea that these Britishers, they are trying to attack on us through the narrow path, okay, through another way. And the only person who could help them was Sukhram. So that's why they were understanding that now something is going to be wrong. And what was happening? The Britishers, they were finding another way to attack them. Okay. Next question. Sukhram, what are you doing with the gun? So students, A part, who says this and why? So who was the speaker here? We can say Rajbir said this because he was surprised. He was surprised to see gun in Sukhram's hand. Okay. B part, how was the speaker related to Sukhram? So the speaker was the brother of Sukhram. Okay. Third part, C part, mention the purpose of the speaker's visit. So do you know why the speaker has gone there? So what was the purpose? So the purpose of visiting was to take Sukhram along with him. And what for? To guide them to climb up the mountain trail. Okay students? I hope these question answers are clear to you all. So students, we have already discussed 2 parts of the question answers today. So in the next video lesson, we will discuss some other questions. Okay. Till then, beta, you have to keep on completing your book exercises. Okay. So whatever, let's learn new words and let's use grammar. All these kind of questions you have to practice by yourself in the book. Okay. And if you face any problem in those back exercises, you're always welcome to leave your queries in my comment box. Okay students, so till then, please complete your work and stay updated and stay tuned to my channel. So students, that's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you have to keep on completing your assignments and you have to keep on learning. And yes students, before going, make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel and you share this video lesson with your friends and classmates. Alright, goodbye. Take care.